Welcome to Actualize Thoughts. We're gonna start a new segment, 60-second drill with Dr. C. Let me set up my timer. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Here we do any questions. 3, 2, 1,
right.
Go. Why greatness?
Because you can make more change.
Wow.
Okay. Oh my God. If you could speak in as an emoji,
Okay.
which one? How would you speak? Choose any emoji.
Thinking.
That's not speaking.
Oh, if I could speak
Yeah.
as an emoji? Why? Okay.
If you could eat one food for a day for the rest of your life, which would it be?
Brioche bread.
Ooh, wow.
It is perfect. It's great.
Do you consider greatness to be subjective or objective?
Subjective as it is objective.
Nice.
No, it leaves us with a question. How do you stay motivated to the path of greatness?
How do you stay motivated?
Yes.
Surround yourself with the right community.
Ooh,
Nice.
if you could do any job for a day, which would it be? The end. Okay, give an answer.
No, I was gonna say president.
Do you kiss it, really?
It's okay. Well, okay.
Stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe, even share more ideas. Stay tuned. Thank you guys.